Are you in need of mental health services? Did you know that major medical plans cover mental health? In this video, I'm going to explain what is covered and how to use your benefits, okay? And so if you are new to any of my videos or to the channel, my name is Katrice-Daniels, and I am a licensed health insurance broker. I'm licensed in 12 states, and I'm also the founder of Insure Black America, where the mission is to close the coverage gap between Black Americans and other racial groups. And so, um, with everything that has gone on in 2020 and 2021, you know, it's never been more paramount to really be, what's the word, really focused and aware of our mental health status, okay? And so a lot of times that we don't go, I sound like a broken record, a lot of times. But a lot of times we won't go to see a mental health professional, one, because of the stigma of it, and two, because we can't afford it, okay? And so, with major medical plans paying for mental health services, um, the second reason is just it's kind of obsolete anymore because you have insurance covers the bulk of the cost, and then um, you just pay your out-of-pocket expense, either a co-insurance or a co-pay, okay? So the mental health services that major medical pays for is outpatient services. And so those outpatient services would be like if you go to see, like, for a therapy appointment, okay, just for a regular office visit, it pays for that. If you needed to go to like an outpatient treatment center, mental health treatment center, and it's outpatient, it pays for that. That's considered an outpatient visit, okay? Most of the time on the plans, it's just a copay. It does depend on the type of plan that you get. Now, this does not apply to short-term plans because those are not major medical plans, okay? But when you use your insurance, it's just like a doctor's, a regular PCP visit. It's the same concept, okay? Now, if you needed to be treated in an inpatient facility, most of the times those you will pay a copay, okay? Not a copay, a co-insurance, okay? So you would have to have met your deductible first, and then you would only pay a percentage of the cost, okay, for being in the inpatient mental health. And then it covers your medications, okay? So if you're getting mental health meds, it covers the cost just as long as the medication is on the plan's formulary, then it will be covered. Depending on the tier, is would depend on your out-of-pocket that you would pay. So if it's a mental health medication on a lower tier like 1 or 2, you normally don't pay a whole lot on those tiers. But if it's more of a specialty med, and on the higher tiers like 4 or 5 or 6, because there are some plans that have 6 tiers, those are more of the specialty meds, and so you would pay a higher out-of-pocket cost, okay? But yeah, so outpatient mental health, inpatient mental health, and any mental health medications are all covered by major medical, okay? And so you don't have to, if you need to go see a mental health professional, um, look at the summary of benefits for your plan, to see what your payments would be, okay, what your out-of-pocket payments would be, okay? And so if you're not understanding your summary of benefits, you don't know how to read it, you don't know how to figure out how much you would like to pay, you can always book a free health needs assessment with me. The link will be in the description, and I can go over that with you. You know what I'm saying? I can take a look at your summary of benefits, and I can go over that with you, so that you will know what you have to pay and answer any questions that you may have about your insurance as well. Okay. And so I hope you guys found value in this video. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe, okay? And make sure you hit the bell so that you get notifications when I upload a new video. Please share it out so that somebody else may find value in the video. Um, a lot of times mental health is something that is very kind of not talked about as much. Now, well, I can't say that. It is changing, with everything that has, transpired since 2020. Mental health has become more trendy. It has become more trendy, but that's a good thing because we definitely need to start talking about that and start working on our mental health and um, so that we can live better lives, okay? Because if your mental health is not functioning properly, it's only going to transpire into your physical health, over time. And so they work hand in hand. And so it's important that we uh, really take mental health seriously, okay? So please do share it out so that others may find value as well. And so I will see you guys in the next video. You guys have a great rest of your day. And remember, together we can close the coverage gap for Black Americans.